Most of the things you can just click to interact with them. Click that to see all the things you can import. Click again to close. To watch your video, select the place and press spacebar to start playing. Now it's playing, and if you look over here, you can see your volume level, and you can press spacebar again to stop the video. It's very useful to zoom in and out of your workspace to take a closer look or see the bigger picture. Press minus on your keyboard to zoom out, and press plus on your keyboard to zoom in. Press again to zoom in more, and sometimes you want to take a closer look at your audio, so you go here to expand the audio. Now you can see it, and that place is where you start speaking or start playing. So if you want to cut at the exact place when you start, you can just select the place right before that audio spike and split. Press again to close. Now this button will open up your whole workspace, and you can see every track you're working with. Now I'm gonna press the minus key a few times to zoom out and be able to see the whole video. This dot here is like the selection in your workspace. You can move it around to review your video. This button will allow you to watch your video with full screen, and press it again to return. In this button, you can select the aspect ratio you like for your video. And here are a few different choices.